I'm going to show you how I created this look using our As Loved By You products and featuring the Easy Smokey Eye Set. I've already prepped my skin with the Vitamin Enriched Eye and Face Base to moisturize and prime my skin, and now taking Corrector under my eyes and on any pigmentation on my skin to brighten it. Now going into Instant Full Cover Concealer and pinpointing it on the inner corners of my eye and going upwards on the outer corners to lift them. Then taking it on any other blemishes to add more coverage. A great tip is to wait for 2 minutes to let the concealer semi-set before blending it out. This will allow the concealer to set better where you want the extra coverage. For my base, I'm using Skin Foundation Stick. I love this foundation as it's easy to use and leaves the skin looking like skin. I'm just applying it where I want the most coverage, then blending it out with my precise buffing brush. Taking the same Skin Foundation stick in a deeper color as my bronzer, drawing a little on my hand and picking it up with the angled face brush, then sweeping it through my forehead, cheeks, and jawline to bring more warmth and structure to my face. For blusher, I am applying Pale Pink Pot Rouge with the precise buffing brush for a fresh pop of color. Going in now with my brows, I'm using the Longwear Brow Pencil. I always start by brushing my brows upwards, then filling in any gaps that I can see. A great tip with the brow pencil is if you have popped too much product on, use the brush to soften and comb it out. For eyes, I'm using the Golden Bronze Easy Smokey Eye Set. It comes with a mini and full-size cream shadow stick and a full-size Smokey Eye Mascara. Popping the Golden Bronze stick all over my lid, then buffing it along my bottom lash line. Then using the Golden Pink Easy Smokey Eye Set and buffing it through the crease of my eye to brighten and soften any edges. A great tip is to draw a little on your hand and pick it up with your shadow brush to create a softer finish. Also taking a small amount of golden pink in the inner corner of my eyes to make them pop. To create a soft smoky eye, I'm picking up Bark Cream Shadow Stick with my precise liner brush and popping it along my lash line, then buffing it out with my smoky eyeliner brush. Of course, finishing off the eyes with 2 to 3 coats of Smokey Eye Mascara on the top and bottom lashes. I already have Cocoa Lip Liner on and now popping Semi-Naked Luxe Matte Lip Color on for a perfect nude. A great tip is to draw a little on the lip, then tap it in to blend it out for a soft, bitten look. And there you have it, my full face using only our As Loved By You products featuring the Easy Smokey Eye Kits. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and have a beautiful day.